SenseCAP Watcher's object recognition feature. I am placing this spider robot in front of the device to see if it can recognize it correctly.
Okay, can you recognize this object?
That's a robotic crab. It has multiple legs and is sitting on a blue mat with blue lights nearby, giving it a cool futuristic look.
Now let's check if the SenseCAP Watcher can solve a basic math problem. I'll ask a simple question and see how fast it responds.
Take a photo and solve this math problem.
Sure. Let me take a photo and help you with the math problem. I see the math problem. 25 plus 5 minus 3. Let me solve that for you. 25 plus 5 equals 30, then 30 minus 3 equals 27. So the answer is 27.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. It's a beautiful planned city located in the northern part of the country, known for its modern architecture and scenic surroundings. Is there something specific you'd like to know about Islamabad?
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am reviewing the SenseCAP Watcher, personal AI agent. I will show you its basic parts, how to set it up, and the most important features. So let's start. SenseCAP Watcher is a small personal AI agent. It can detect objects, recognize gestures, see motion, record events, and send you alerts. You can also ask it questions through the mobile app, and it uses AI to give smart answers. So it works like a mini smart assistant with a built-in camera, mic, and speaker. The box itself looks very premium. When you slide it open, it feels smooth and high quality inside the box. You get the SenseCAP Watcher device. You also get a Type-C charging cable. And a small stand or base for placing the device. This small camera on the front is the AI vision camera. It is used for object detection, gesture recognition, motion detection, and smart tracking. This is the main eye of the Watcher. Let's start with the most important part, the power or function button. This button controls all the main actions. Press once to wake the device. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn it off. Press and hold for 5 seconds to start Wi-Fi pairing mode. When the LED starts blinking fast, it means the device is ready to connect. At the bottom, you will find the USB Type-C charging port. You can use any regular 5V Type-C cable to charge it. The device also works while charging. Right next to the camera, you will see a tiny microphone hole. This microphone helps the device listen for sounds. Now I will show you the official network setup guide from SenseCAP. First open Google and search SenseCAP Watcher. Open the product page. Here you can see the device details and the price. If you want to buy it, I'll add the product link in the description below so you can check it out. Scroll down on the product page and click Wiki and Learn. On the Wiki page, click Device Network Setup Guide. This page has the official step-by-step instructions. Next, when you scroll down on the setup page, you will see two important download options. The first one is Flash Download Tools, and the second one is Watcher Agent Firmware Binary File. Just click both of these buttons, and the files will start downloading automatically. These are official tools from SenseCAP. The first one is used for flashing firmware, and the second one is the actual firmware file for the Watcher device. We will use these two files later when we update or repair the firmware. So make sure you download both files and save them in an easy-to-find folder on your computer. After downloading both files, the next step is to extract them. Once the files are extracted, open the folder. Inside the folder, you will see the Flash Download tool. Just double-click it, and the tool will open. Now keep your step guide page open on your browser, because we will follow the exact instructions from that page. Whatever steps are written in the guide, just do the same here in the Flash tool. Now inside the Flash Download tool, the first thing you need to do is select your chip model. Here, choose ESP32S3. After that, in the Load Mode section, select UART. Now click OK. The tool will open the main flashing window. Here, the first step is to load the firmware file we downloaded earlier. Click the first box on the top, then browse and select the Watcher Agent Firmware.bin file. Next, select the COM port for your device. Make sure your SenseCAP Watcher is connected to your PC. Then change the baud rate to 460,800 for a faster and stable flashing process. Once everything is set, just click Start. The firmware flash will begin, and you will see progress on the screen. And when the process is completed, you will see Flash Finish written here on the screen. This means the firmware has been successfully installed on your device. Now you can safely disconnect your board. After the flashing process is complete, your device will restart automatically. Now on the screen, you will see a hotspot name and an IP address. Go to your computer, open the Wi-Fi list, and connect to the hotspot shown on the device screen. After you connect, take the IP address displayed on the device and type it into your browser's search bar. Press enter, and a setup page will open. On this page, type your Wi-Fi name in the first box. In the second box, enter your Wi-Fi password. Then click Connect. If everything is correct, you will see a green check mark on the screen showing that the connection is successful. Your SenseCAP Watcher will restart one more time, and after reboot it will be ready to use. Now connect your computer back to your normal Wi-Fi again. After that, go to your browser and search for SenseCraft AI. When the website opens, the first step is to create an account. I already have an account, so I will simply log in. Once you are logged in, at the top you will see an option called Watcher Agent. Click on it. Now click on the Create button. Here, you can choose any name for your Watcher device, type the name, and then click Confirm. A new page will open. Click the Settings icon to open the device settings. From here, you can even change the assistant's voice if you want. After making changes, scroll down and click Save. That's it, your SenseCAP Watcher is completely set up and ready to use. After that, the IP address displayed on the device and type it into your browser's search bar. Press enter, and a setup page will open. On this page, type your Wi-Fi name in the first box. In the second box, enter your Wi-Fi password. Then click Connect. And after reboot it will be ready to use. Now let's test the SenseCAP Watcher's object recognition feature. I am placing this spider robot in front of the device to see if it can recognize it correctly.
Okay, can you recognize this object?
That's a robotic crab. It has multiple legs and is sitting on a blue mat with blue lights nearby, giving it a cool futuristic look.
Now let's check if the SenseCAP Watcher can solve a basic math problem. I'll ask a simple question and see how fast it responds.
Take a photo and solve this math problem.
Sure. Let me take a photo and help you with the math problem. I see the math problem. 25 plus 5 minus 3. Let me solve that for you. 25 plus 5 equals 30, then 30 minus 3 equals 27. So the answer is 27.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. It's a beautiful planned city located in the northern part of the country, known for its modern architecture and scenic surroundings. Is there something specific you'd like to know about Islamabad?
Can you tell me about Sakardovali, SKARDU, Sakardovali, Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan?